Guidance and Counseling, Semester 2 English Medium Student, MCQ, Lecture 4. Question number 46. The following definition. Counseling is a form of interviewing in which the client is helped to understand himself more completely in order to correct on environment or adjustment difficulty. This definition is given by Wolberg. So the correct option is option A. Question number 47. Depending upon the statement, counseling is not a professional job. The statement is false. Counseling is a professional job. So the correct option is option C. Question number 48. Counseling means consultation, mutual interchange of opinions. This option or statement is true. So the correct option is option A. Question number 49. In educational or vocational guidance, we are concerned with the third level, that is counseling by a correct option is professionally trained person. Counseling by a professionally trained person. So option B is correct. Not by teacher, trained person. Professionally trained person is the correct option for this question. So answer B is correct. Next question. Again, definition. Counseling in the psychotherapeutic relationship in which an individual receives direct help from an advisor or finds an opportunity to release negative feeling and thus clear the way for positive growth in personality. This definition is given by Harriman. So correct option is option D. Question number 51. Counseling is for. First option is poor students, slow learner, average students. So the correct answer is counseling is for all these. So all students, that is option D. Question number 52. Counseling is communication between counselor and the counselee. Again I am repeating, counseling is communication between counselor and counselee. This statement is true because in communication, counselor and counselee both are present. So that makes the counseling. Next question. Counselor contribute to the general school program. This statement is true. So option C is correct. The most serious of the social instabilities for the individual is the threat to the family. Here the options are school, community, student's life and family. But the correct option is option D, that is family. The correct characteristics of counseling are: first, counseling is a learning oriented process. Second, counseling is problem oriented. Third, counseling is a professional service. All of the above is correct. So option D is correct. Next, counseling involves a wide range of techniques. This statement is true. So the correct option is option C. Next question. Question number 57. Counseling is a professional task. Counseling is a professional task and must be performed by professionally trained people. Again, the statement is true. So correct option is true. Correct option is A. In a democracy, individual differences have significance beyond. First is group interest. Second is individual interest. Third is A and both are correct. And fourth is none of these. So the correct option is group interest. In a democracy, individual differences have significance beyond group interests. Next one, counseling is not just for problem students and the gifted ones. This statement is true. Again, counseling is not just for problem students and the gifted students. It is for all type of students. So this statement is true. Question number 16. The work of the counselor deliberately covers the total school population, school program, A and B both, none of these. C is correct, A and B both. Counseling is primarily a preventive and remedial process. Option A is correct, true. Best counseling is the form of the decision made by the counselee. The correct option is B. Best counseling is the form of the decision made by the teacher, parents. There are two options and third one is counselee. So the correct option is counselee. Correct option is B. Thank you. Like the videos and subscribe the channel. Don't forget, please subscribe the channel and like the videos and share these videos to your peer groups among your friends. Thank you.